Honorable Prime Minister of Fiji, Honorable Heads of States, Honorable Ministers, Your Excellencies, the ILO Deputy Director General and Regional Director for Asia and the Pacific, Mr. Moko Nishimoto, the Director General of SPREP, of the Secretariat of the Pacific Regional Environment Program, Mr. Kosilatu, ladies and gentlemen, Dimpula Binaka. It's an honor for me to be here this evening, to be part of this event, and to witness the signing of the MOU between the two organizations that we have, ILO and SPREP, this evening. I'd also like to thank the COP23 Fiji Secretariat and the organizers of the Climate Action Pacific Partnership Conference for making the time for us to be able to have this ceremony. And I commend both organizations that are here, ILO and SPREP, for their commitment to green jobs, green industry, renewable energy and adaptation, and the promotion of occupational health and safety of workers involved in waste management industries. This is an important collaboration on just transition and climate resilient economies and societies, improving environmental sustainability, management of waste and pollution control, and supporting communities' livelihoods and national sustainable development objectives of member countries. The collaboration shows how we can address different SDGs by working together. For ILO, obviously SDG 8, on decent work and economic growth, is important. And for SPREP, SDGs 6, 13, 14, and 15 are also important. So through this collaboration, we will be able to address all of these for the region at the same time. All Pacific nations will benefit from this partnership, and the Fijian government stands ready to actively participate. Fiji's Prime Minister launched our 5-year and 20-year national development plans on the margins of COP23. Those plans are designed to transform Fiji in the most sustainable way. So there's a clear linkage between this partnership and our goals here in Fiji. The first focus of those plans is on the realization of the socio-economic rights of all Fijians, with an emphasis on inclusivity so that no one is left behind. The second focus is on forward-looking policy shifts to support the vision of transforming Fiji. Green growth is a key guiding principle in the implementation of our National Development Plan. So your undertaking tonight will enhance this work. We all know what is happening to our global environment, and especially to our small island countries, or also known as the big ocean states. The world is getting hotter, workplaces are getting hotter, and this impacts on worker productivity and worker safety. Heat extremes increase accident risk and expose people to serious heat-related health risks, including heat stroke, severe dehydration and exhaustion. Climate conditions can amplify existing health and safety issues and could lead to new unanticipated hazards. Workers may also be exposed to extreme weather and climate conditions. As the concern with the environment increases, jobs may be lost and industries close down, and now new green industries are also developing. In this transition, we want to see that there is a just transition and that workers are not left on the wayside. We will need to ensure that the environment is protected and restored, and at the same time afford optimal opportunity for decent work and safe workplaces. So the Fijian government welcomes the proposed MOU, and we stand ready to work with both parties on this commendable ambition. ILO is the only tripartite United Nations agency that brings together governments, employers and workers to set labor standards, develop policies and devise programs that promote decent work for all. I value also SPREP and its tireless efforts to connect the Pacific region, to promote cooperation in the region, and to promote assistance and to provide assistance to protect and improve our environment and ensure sustainable development for present and future generations. Tomorrow, in the ministry, we will be launching our ministry's health and wellness program on Friday the 27th of July. And this program is aimed to address general health and well-being at the workplace, which is a concern to me, and it is something also that obviously will be part of the collaboration between these two agencies. So to the ILO Regional Director and the Director General SPREP, we look forward to witnessing the signing this evening, and we look forward also to seeing the impact of your collaboration between ILO and SPREP
on the people of the Pacific and of the Pacific region as a whole. And thank you.